Switchgear Testing and Maintenance Services, Oorja Technical Services Pvt. Limited, India's top most ISO 17025 NABL, accredited testing and calibration laboratory with 500 plus service engineers at pan-India locations. Oorja's switchgear services include air circuit breaker and vacuum circuit breaker services, complete overhaul including cleaning, lubrication, contact replacement, and mechanism adjustment for optimal performance. Oorja conducts specialized testing service, including CRM testing, contact resistance measurement testing, to ensure minimum contact resistance, preventing overheating and contact burning, timing testing to verify breaker opening and closing times for synchronized operation and system stability. Megger testing service includes insulation resistance measurement to detect insulation degradation before short circuits occur. All tests documented through our automated paperless system for complete traceability. Oorja provides prompt, accurate, and paperless, electronically approved documentation system to discoms, wind parks, solar parks, power generation plants, pharmaceutical, chemical, and automobile industries, electrical and electronics industry, aviation manufacturing industry, semiconductor industry, petroleum products industry, chemical, pesticides, and agrochemicals industry, oil, gas, and refineries industry.